Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blueberry rolls. First, activate your yeast by combining 1 cup of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until foamy. Then mix in 1 large egg, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 3 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Knead the dough for 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic, then let it rise. Next, let's prepare the delicious blueberry filling. In a bowl, gently combine 2 cups of fresh blueberries with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This helps thicken the filling as it bakes. Once your dough has risen, roll it out onto a lightly floured surface into a 12 by 18-inch rectangle. Evenly spread the blueberry mixture over the dough, making sure to leave about a 1-inch border around the edges. Now, carefully roll the dough tightly from the long side, creating a log. Pinch the seam closed to ensure the filling stays inside during baking. Using a sharp knife or dental floss, slice the log into 12 equal pieces, each about 1 1/2 inches thick. Arrange these rolls in a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. Finally, let's make the simple glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract until smooth. Once your blueberry rolls are out of the oven and slightly cooled, generously drizzle this delicious glaze over them. Serve them warm and enjoy your homemade treat. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.